Generally, ants have a short life cycle, but some colony members can live from as little as a few days to as long as a few decades. Probably one of the most important factors affecting lifespan is the respective ant's caste, the queens, males, and workers that occupy the ant colony. Male ants, male adults live for only a few days and die after mating with the females. Queen ants, ant queens, the egg-laying members of the colony, are the most long-lived colony members and may live for multiple years. Worker ants, workers, the non-reproducing female adult stage that does most of the work needed to properly support and maintain the colony, live for a few weeks to several months. Another important factor affecting longevity of ants is species. For comparison, odorous house ant workers, a commonly seen ant inside homes, tend to live about 2 to 3 years, while a fire ant worker lives only about 5 weeks. However, the longevity of workers is greatly affected by the availability of food, and the quality of food they consume. Workers are the caste that sacrifices their well-being for the overall health and well-being of the entire colony. If food sources become scarce, workers commonly eat less than other colony members and thus ensure sufficient food resources are available for continued hardiness of colony members other than themselves. Every ant colony has at least one queen. Some species, such as the Argentine ant, may have 2 or more. Significantly larger than her compatriots, a queen will lay eggs that hatch into new queens with wings that they use to fly out of the nest to mate. Queens are the only females able to reproduce. Once a new queen locates a spot to nest, she lays her eggs, then feeds and grooms the hatched larvae until they turn into cocoons, or remain uncovered depending on the species. In a few weeks, new adult workers emerge and the colony is officially up and running. Thank you so much for watching my video, and please subscribe my channel and click on bell icon. Or if you already subscribe my channel, thanks for your subscription.